What if 2025 could be the year you finally break free from living paycheck to paycheck? I'll show you the exact 5-step system that's working right now. First, calculate your freedom figure. Write down all monthly expenses, rent, groceries, everything. That's your target passive income number. Need $4,000 monthly? That's $48,000 yearly. Using the 4% rule, you'd need about $1.2 million invested. Step 2, hack your lifestyle. Every time income increases, invest 50% of that increase immediately. Consider house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one side, rent the other. Your biggest expense becomes income. Step 3, use credit cards as wealth tools. Sign up bonuses, cashback rewards, but pay full balance monthly. Step 4, multiple income streams. Digital products, content creation, real estate investing, optimized gig work. Mobile car wash services grew 276% this year. Create systems that generate income while you sleep. Step 5, money's job is making more money. 70% index funds, 20% real estate, 10% alternatives. Automate everything. 500 monthly at 7% returns equals 1.3 million in 30 years. Compound interest is magic. Financial freedom means options and security. Start with step 1 today. Calculate your freedom figure. Your future self will thank you.